Want to detail your Mercedes-Benz like the pros? Here's the tools of the trade. For the interior, use leather cleaners and conditioners for the upholstery, and use all-purpose cleaner on everything else. When it comes to the exterior, always apply a wax after you wash your vehicle. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then wipe down the body with a microfiber towel. Want to get rid of pesky water spots? Apply wax directly on the spot, then wipe with a microfiber towel until spotless. Don't have any wax on hand? Warm water and a chamois can work in a pinch. As for your rims, begin with, you guessed it, all-purpose cleaner before rinsing them clean. To remove stubborn dirt, reapply all-purpose cleaner while using a brush to clean in the nooks and crannies. Rinse the cleaner again before scrubbing with a sponge, soap, and water. Give them one final rinse, wipe with a microfiber towel, and those rims will gleam like new.